Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some very important basic accounting terms that everybody should know. These are simple words used in everyday businesses and finance, and once you understand them, accounting becomes much easier. Let's get started. First, let's talk about income. Income means the money you receive. It can be your salary, money from selling products, or any earning you get. Simply put, income is money coming. Next, expense. Expense means the money you spend. For example, rent, electricity bills, transport cost, or buying goods from a business. So, expense is money going out. Now, let's move to assets. Assets are things you owe that have value. For example, cash in hand, a car, equipment, or stock in a shop. Assets are important because they help you run a business or create a value. Next is liabilities. Liabilities means money you owe to others. For example, bank loans, credit purchases, or unpaid bills. So simply, liabilities are your debts or obligations. Profit. Profit is the money you have left after subtracting expenses from income. There is a simple formula. Profit equals income minus expenses. For example, if your income is $1,000 and your expenses are $700, then your profit is $300. This is how businesses measure success. Now let's quickly go over everything again. Income is money coming in, expense is money going out, assets are what you own, liabilities are what you owe, and profit is what is left after expenses. These are the most basic accounting terms and they are the foundation of learning accounting. If you understand this well, the rest of the accounting will become much easier for you. And remember, accounting is not only for businesses. It is useful in everyday life too, like managing your salary and personal expenses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple accounting lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.